Hey, what's up? How's it going, gamers? My name is Pearl Pants, and, last time I taught you how to draw humans, so I guess it's only, natural that we get to draw landscapes now, because, sometimes we kind of need to shake things up a bit, right? So, I'm thinking that we make a mountain top, okay? So, let's just... Oh man, these mountains look amazing. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. So, now, I think I'm gonna need to go into Mountain 1, snow, because, oh frick, because, snow is mega important. Especially on mountains, because they're only found in a snowy area for some reason. I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay. So now we're going to need to texture these. Ooh. 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 Ooh yeah. This looks amazing. Oh yeah, scientifically accurate, guys. I took, like, what, 3 science classes last year? And I'm probably gonna be taking 3 more this year, because I'm just that good at science. Science is amazing. So many things you can do with it. We can microwave our food. What else? We can make technology with this. Self-driving cars, that's a big thing now. Gas cars are a thing of the past. I only drive a Tesla. So, I'm guessing that we're going to, only make this appropriate and call this video how to draw a Tesla, even though we're drawing mountains. Because sometimes things don't need introductions. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, magnificent. So, on this mountain, I feel like we're going to need to have a tiny little climber guy. So 13.5. Let's just shrink this down. Oh no. Oh. Perfect circle. Stick. A climbing stick. Bam. Okay. No, this guy needs to have a face. Oh yeah. I should probably have like another stick over here, I guess. Yeah! Perfect. Bam, it's a stick guy climbing the mountains. Okay. And then, how about this? We make a really, really buff guy. Okay. That's too long. It's too long. Okay. Angry guy. And he needs to be super buff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Things are coming up, Millhouse. Yeah, wait, no, you should have a 6-pack. Oh yeah. That's like a 36-pack. 36 pecs, am I right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now we're going to use the very helpful and very useful layers, and we're going to make a background. Isn't that fun? So let's just make a few clouds. Let's
very thin to show the texture of very, very thin clouds. See, some masterpieces are made, but the best are just born. And I think I just gave birth to a masterpiece. Look at this. Okay, now, I think we're going to need to have a few other mountains in the distance, because why not? There we go. There we go. Very tall, tippity top mountain. Now, let's grab another layer on top of this. And let's just color everything in. Oh yeah, colors. Oh man. I'm having so much fun. Oh yeah. Oh jeez. Oh cheese. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jesus. It's cheese. Cheese and rice. What else? Mountains are very gray. So let's just make this. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Am I doing so amazing at, you know, this whole drawing thing. CalArts, you know, the studio where Disney animators go. You can hire me, please. Or, some other place like Harvard. I know that Harvard has an arts program. I'm just kidding. I don't. So maybe they do. Maybe I'm going to start the art program. Oh yeah, that'll be super mega fun. Yeah, please hire me as one of your instructors on art. Any art school, I'm open for suggestions. And now we're going to add one final layer. Gonna make it all the way back here, and we're gonna make a green background. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, green is a very creative color. Spicy. Now, let's just up. Oh man, that just looks amazing.